Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Business Idea. Today I will be taking you through a product-based business idea. This idea would be particularly relevant for people who are already engaged in designing and making drones and quadcopters. Product description. The product, which I will be referring to as Levi-pad, derived from levitating pad, will resemble a quadcopter. However, the product will have a tray-like top which would be able to accommodate small items such as television remote, mobile phones, car keys, etc. Additional features of the Levi-pad will include an integrated wireless charger, a summon feature and a docking station. Application. Imagine that you have returned from a long day at work. You want to relax and maybe watch some television or turn on your music system. Instead of going around looking for a remote, you summon the Levi-pad. The Levi-pad flies towards you carrying the remotes. You pick up the remote and place your discharged mobile phone and car keys on the Levi-pad and ask it to return to the docking station. At the station, the Levi-pad will resume charging itself and at the same time charge the phone and other wireless charging-enabled devices. The applications of the Levi-pad can be further expanded by integrating a universal remote and voice commands within the device. This will enable you to control any appliances which use infrared technology using one device, the Levi-pad. Additionally, as the Levi-pad becomes more capable of handling weights, using modular accessories such as a water or alcohol reservoir, the Levi-pad would be capable of serving you drinks. Thank you for watching. If you like the idea, please click the like button. If not, please click the dislike button. I will see you next week with another 2-minute business idea. Have a great day.